from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. We are here to present the project titled Skin Cancer Detection Using Image Processing. Skin cancer is one among the numerous types of cancer. There are three types of skin cancer: basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma and melanoma. Out of these, melanoma is more hazardous than the others. So, we have decided to develop a device to detect melanoma skin cancer in real time using image processing techniques, and this would help the doctors to perform the diagnosis quickly. In the present scenario, many systems are developed using image processing and computer vision techniques for detecting melanoma skin cancer. But these existing systems do not use any unique device. They don't embed their algorithms into any device, and these systems are purely software oriented. But we use BeagleBone to embed our model into it so that it comes out as a unique product in hand which detects melanoma and gives instant results. Only Intel has come up with an hardware device named Movidius Neural Compute Stick that tunes and validates deep neural network programs. So, our closest competitor would be Intel, which uses Movidius Stick to deploy and run the algorithm. The main difference between our product and the Intel product is that our device runs independently without connecting it to a computer. Other key differentiating factors of our product are: it is portable and can be used anytime and anywhere. The cost of the device is comparatively less, and it can be affordable by majority of the population. Real-time skin images are captured and the results are obtained instantly. Our device is fast and secure and supports the doctors to perform the diagnosis quickly. The user manual demonstrates the detailed working of the product, and so this acts as an additional feature for our product. As we know that cancer is a dangerous disease, especially melanoma. So, the demand for the requirement of a product which would give results instantly is increasing. Hence, a product is developed to detect melanoma skin cancer in real time. We definitely have a sizable market for our product. Firstly, we would demonstrate the working of our product to the doctors so that they will get a basic idea of what our product is and how it must be used. And then we create awareness of our product among various health organizations and organize various demos in multi-speciality hospitals. Our product will be protected and monetized through intellectual property rights by applying and getting appropriate copyrights, patents and trademarks after its completion. Government licensing will also be focused. It is important for every product to have some basic customer value. So, the cost of our product is around 9,000 rupees, which is inclusive of the marketing cost. The major aim of the team is to deliver the product at an affordable price.
The proposed idea has real-time monitoring feature which makes it unique from other products. The idea requires the TI component, the endoscopic camera, basically used to convert the product into a venture. And we also use the marketing and businessing strategies to make it into real time, wherein the cost per product is 9,000. Before we bring the product, make it available to the customers, there are n number of loopholes that run through behind so that we can deliver quality products to the customers. There are various data sets in real time that has been tested with the product so that we can deliver quality products. The bottlenecks we face during creating a project. While creating a product, we undergo many challenging phases and face risk. The product marketing and creating awareness also marks as a benchmark for a good product. Melanoma being one of the dangerous disease, it becomes a challenging factor for us to collect the data set from various hospitals or any organizations. The data set usually consists of image of the affected person who is infected by melanoma. So when it comes to real-time monitoring of the data, the capturing of the data is another task where we use the endoscopic camera and overcome the challenge by making it into a real time. So the key external dependencies for our project is the technological availability, that is our product will be manufactured in such a way that it is adapting to the external environmental changes, and this forms as an advantage to make a product into a success. So our customers could be any hospitals, organizations, or any welfare associations. It could be especially doctors who are dermatologists, nurses, or any individual who is willing to buy our product for a good cause. So finding the customers is a quite easy task where we need to create awareness about the product so that it reaches maximum number of people, and that will be another advantage to reach many people and sell the product all over. And this becomes easy to acquire customers. We can use various marketing strategies, that could be mass media communication or using any telephone, TVs or any other social media, so that we could reach worldwide. And the cost per acquisition for customer acquisition would be around 500.